Can your portfolio generate a financial return while also making the world a better place? Let's talk about impact investing. Impact investing is the practice of investing in companies or organizations with the specific intention of generating positive social or environmental results. The market for these investments has exploded, now totaling over $1 trillion in assets managed by investors seeking more than just profit. Impact investing differs from philanthropy because it requires a financial return and differs from traditional investing by prioritizing measurable outcomes alongside profit. While traditional investing focuses strictly on financial risk and reward, impact investing adds a layer of accountability for how those profits are earned. Most capital in this space flows toward renewable energy, sustainable housing, and improving access to essential services like healthcare and schooling. The goal is to prove that you don't have to sacrifice financial growth to support a sustainable future for everyone. If you want to align your money with your values, research the specific impact reports of any fund you consider. Subscribe for more money basics.